Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and I want to welcome you to this little bit of a new type of lesson that I'm trying to do. We are going to have a quick look at one of the last aspects of possession and holdership. And this is something which I have a vague suspicion that many of you actually do not really understand properly. And holdership. Right. And this is the question about the following. I am going to give you this statement. Possession is always illegal. What do you think about this statement? Do you agree with this? You see, the thing is that if you work through all the material which are prescribed, in other words, you read the material in the textbook and you did a computer program dealing with possession and holdership, you would have noted that this statement does pop up once or twice. And if you answered this is correct, very well, you are correct. But if you disagreed with this statement and you said, well, possession cannot always be illegal, then in fact you missed an important part of the work. So I'm quickly going to try and explain this in a different way. I would like you to have a look at page 201 of your textbook. At the bottom of 201 there is a diagram which deals with the distinction between various forms of control over corporeal things. And you would see it starts with firstly control. Okay, it looks like this. And control is then split into two different areas. On the left we have lawful control. And on the right we have unlawful. Under unlawful, you will see that it is split between holdership and possession. Okay, and then once again, possession is split between good faith and bad faith. Right. Holdership, you will note, can also be part of lawful control. But, unfortunately, you will see that possession cannot ever be lawful. Therefore, in a long circuitous way, we come back to the statement which says possession is always illegal. Make sure that you understand this. Last thing to remember here is that you need to think about possession and holdership separately from the rest of property law. Think of it as held in a container and do not get confused with the word possession. This statement of possession is always illegal is only applicable to the part of the work which we call possession and holdership, in other words, those 4 chapters. I hope this have helped you a little bit.